Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Facebook when comments aren't showing on post videos or pages. Now, step number 1, check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Slow or unreliable connections can prevent comments from loading. Next, what you're gonna do is refresh the app or page. Pull down to refresh the feed, or close and reopen the Facebook app on desktop. Refresh your browser. Now, step number 3, if it's still not working, what you're gonna do is update the Facebook app or browser. Go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store and then search for Facebook. Next, see if there is an update button available. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Now, if that also does not help, go ahead and clear cache and data. Open your settings app and then search for storage. Then scroll down and click on the Facebook option. Now hit the offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps document and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Sometimes comments don't appear if the post has restricted audience settings or if the account is blocked. Make sure nothing is limiting visibility. So these are the quick fixes if Facebook comments aren't showing. Start with the connection and refresh, then update or clear cache if needed. If this helped, like and subscribe, and do not forget to comment for more easy tech tips. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys